Okay. I think we're recording. If it is, this is a snowstorm, the blizzard of 1996. It's January. What's today's date, Michael? The 8th? Huh? I think so.
Oh, is it on?
I think so. It's what's today's date, Dad? The 8th?
The 8th, the blizzard of 96.
Look at that. Michael, jump in the snow so we can see how... Here, you do it.
Is red light on?
Jump in the snow.
I don't know. Just tell me if that's right or not. Don't get me on it.
Get a picture of the...
Hey, Michael. Michael.
What?
Okay.
What?
Oh, here comes the car down the street. Look out, Michael. Guy's speeding. Doing about 2. Tough to imagine how deep it really is here.
Huh?
And I watched on the news, Michael.
About 30 inches.
Straight.
Give you an idea just how deep it is here. I'm by the front door. See how Jen, listen, Michael. Hey guys.
Get a close up of Jen.
Her cheeks. Mom, look at the Dad, look at the Ben. Spin it.
Fish?
Good Jen.
Jen?
That's exhausting.
Hi, Dad. I got my wisdom teeth out.
Looks like Dan Chipmunk.
She's on Percocets and she's shoveling the driveway.
She got 3
I
shovels.
quit.
Mark.
Is he? Oh yeah, look at this. Here goes Mr. Klein, his Hummer. Hey, no, Al.
Oh, that's a good angel.
Get the angel on film.
That's beautiful.
No, save the last minute for when I make my igloo. It's like the only time.
Fibula.
All those.
Or to be more specific, on your leg. Question, miscellaneous. Challenge! There's a head.
Challenge
Alicia's ahead
Alicia.
of you. You have to challenge Alicia more.
Oh, you don't even want to do that. Sure you do.
Ready? House. Ranch. Blue cheese.
Dressings. Salad dressings.
See you, Mom.
Mom, come on. No reaction whatsoever.
I did nothing.
Didn't do anything. I just escaped my claim. Jen got me nervous. She gave me that eye like, you better get this.
It was easy.
Oh. Get Jen. Make sure you get Jen.
Scarface, Batman Returns, and The Witches of Eastwick.
Jack Nicholson movies?
Nope. Shelf paper.
Worcester.
I would have just said movies. You know? Sounds like all the people who have been in my kitchen. What? What movie is that from? That's
You
from
can
that
read this
Cheers
name.
thing.
Top one.
Dad, alright, bye.
Harry Masonite, Rock Quarry, and Harry Granite.
Oh, God. What?
I know of it.
All Wait, is this for me?
Yeah, Rockstar.
No, it's for
No.
me.
Oh, for you?
What was it for? Didn't you just go?
It's your
And
turn.
you got it wrong. Somebody told me to go.
Oh, it's your turn. Okay. Harry Masonite.
all people from the Flintstones?
Yeah. Yeah.
I get to start a new thing. Okay. She goes again. That's grand.
Challenge.
I don't get to. You have to choose and go to the next one. No, the next.
I know.
Confusing
Other
y'all.
challenge.
Jen, are you okay?
Epstein, Washington, Horseshack. I know this.
I know this thing. So do I, but you just. Oh, all from.